In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get Ryanair boarding pass online on your smartphone device. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, open your smartphone device. This will work with both iPhone and Android devices. So from here, you'll simply need to go up and search for App Store or Google Play. From here, you'll need to go up to the search bar and click in Ryanair and then download this app right here. From here, you'll need to open it. And once you open it, you'll be viewed with a menu where you can either sign in, log into an account, or continue as guest. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to choose continue as guest. This will work either way. So from here, you'll need to go down to check in, and then you can see here receive my booking. Once you click on here, this page will load up where you can see the reservation number and the email address that you use to buy the flight. From here, once you have written all these details, you'll need to click Get My Booking. Here you can either book yourself into the airport, and you can also get your boarding pass directly on your smartphone. I hope this helps. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!